Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a straight-through cable for your PC. This cable is used to connect network devices like your PC to a router or switch. Let's get started. Step 1. First, you need a few tools: a crimping tool, RJ45 connectors, and the Ethernet cable. Step 2. Strip the cable. Start by stripping about an inch of the outer jacket from the cable using the wire stripper. And be careful not to damage the wires inside. Step 3. Untwist and arrange the wires. Once the jacket is off, you will see 8 colored wires twisted into pairs. Untwist them and arrange them in this specific order. Step 4. Trim the wires. After arranging them, trim the ends so they all have the same length. Make sure they're about half an inch long. Step 5. Insert the wires into the RJ45 connector. Next, carefully insert the wires into the RJ45 connector with the clip facing down. Push the wires all the way to the end, making sure they stay in the correct order. Step 6. Crimp the connector. Once the wires are in, take your crimping tool and press down firmly to secure the connector to the cable. And just repeat the process for the other end of the cable. Step 7. Test the cable. Before connecting it to your devices, it's a good idea to test the cable with a cable tester. Plug each end of the cable into the tester, turn it on, and make sure all the lights light up in the correct sequence. This confirms that the connections are good and the cable is working properly. And that's it. You successfully made a straight-through Ethernet cable. Thanks for watching.